In the production process of the endoscope, burning refers to the storage device such as image sensors, processing units, etc. that writes image data or related software programs to the endoscope. This data may include the endoscopy operating system, image processing algorithms, or program code for other diagnostic functions. The burning process ensures that the endoscope has the correct image acquisition, display, and analysis functions. In addition, the endoscope itself has a camera function through the image sensor to capture the image data in the body, and real-time display or recording through an endoscope. The doctor or operator is able to look inside the body. In the manufacturing process, image measurement may refer to testing the quality of the images captured by the endoscope to ensure the clarity, resolution, and color reproduction of the image are accurate. This usually involves the analysis of images using standardized measurement tools to ensure that they meet quality standards. For medical imaging devices,